A bakery owner orders 6 cases of, did you say chocolate? Each case contains 4 blocks of, did you say chocolate? Each block weighs 13 2/10 pounds. How many pounds of chocolate does the bakery owner order? All right, so bakery owner orders 6 cases of them. Each case contains 4 blocks, and each block weighs 13 2/10 pounds. We're doing a lot of multiplying. So first things first, 6 cases of chocolate. Each case contains 4 blocks of chocolate. Let's multiply those together. 6 times 4, not so bad, 24. So now I know I have 24 total blocks of chocolate. 24 blocks of chocolate where each block weighs 13.2 pounds. We're going to multiply again. So that's going to be 24 times 13.2. Now I'm going to use old traditional algorithm multiplication stuff. I'm going to put the smaller, it's not the smaller number, but the number with the less numbers, if that makes sense, on the bottom, and then 13 2/10 up top. Okay? And I'm going to multiply these two guys and see what happens. Don't forget, we're going to do 1 digit at a time. Don't forget to carry over, which will happen every now and then. 4 times 2 is 8. Nothing carries over. 4 times 3 is 12. Write out your 2. Carry over the 1. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Write out your 4. Now we're done with the ones place. When we move on to the tens place, we automatically drop down a 0. Do the same thing. Let's get rid of this 1. I don't need it. It's in the way. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 1 is 2. Now we need to add these numbers up. 8 plus 0 is 8. 2 plus 4 is 6. 5 plus 6 is 11. Write down your 1, carry a 1, and 1 plus 2 is 3. Since up here I had 1 decimal, I'm going to go from the right and carry over 1 decimal. So I end up with 316 8/10. Now, what are we trying to find? How many pounds of chocolate does the bakery owner order? Well, that's 316 8/10 pounds. So that's going to be my guy, and D is going to be my answer.